All right, fam, we back. We're gonna be chopping it up something real nice today. Today we ain't gonna be cooking, we're gonna be chopping up conversation. I wanna talk about how to make this Sebi lifestyle affordable, convenient, and what's another question people are always asking me? Yeah, the most thing about it is people worried about that it costs too much expensive. But if you think about it, it really isn't that expensive if you do your research and find items. When I first started this, which was a long journey ago, I've been maybe 20 some years. I started really young. I didn't want to consume any more animal products. It was easy because I wasn't a big meat eater, and coming from the household I came from, to have meat on your plate like good times was all right. But today, it's fast forward today, you could do your research. So I'm gonna just say this, it can be expensive at times, but if you learn simple skills to make the lifestyle a little more affordable and become a decent cook, you can pretty much survive on it without no problems. A lot of people say, well, how the hell can I eat this food when you don't get any protein out of it? You gotta ask yourself one question. If the concept of protein is a misconception, because if you think about it, where does the protein originate from? The cow eats the grass, you eat the cow, and then you get the protein. If you would just eat what the cow ate, then you can bypass eating him and eat what the cow ate, and you will get the protein just like the cow without having to slaughter the cow. So that's a misconception that you could just go away with and get back to the basics.